Moving up on the outside, Joe Phillips has speed, speeding through at the rail. Rolfgar won't be far away, and the charge to the first turn. Joe Phillips has cleared the inside of racing. That leads now line 2. From the inside, and now racing second is Rolfgar. Heat of the night is next. Top 3 deep is Prefect. He's only about 5 lengths off the leader. That's a length and a half back to a ground-saving Castano. He's in front of
El uno va
Bryce
ganando,
Canyon,
mira.
who's over from the 12
11-1.
to the 2 working 3 better than Dazzling Truce. Then the race favorite Marissa's Mission in the black colors about 9 lengths behind. It's a length and a half back to Catch Call Kitten and Veloce. And Kitty Holiday is last of all behind an energetic opening quarter.
11 va adelante.
Up front, Joe Phillips trying to catch a mid-race breather. He leads by 2.5. Prefect is there second from the inside. It's Rolfgar third. Heat of the night is fourth. Bryce Canyon's in the clear. He's on the improved. Red colors up into fourth. The gap from 2.5 to Castano. Then Marissa's Mission and Dazzling Truce. Trying to get rolling from the back is Kitty Holiday. Gets by Veloce and Catch Call Kitten.
No!
Joe Phillips. Bryce Canyon with every opportunity from there.
El 11 pasó de qué?